short one this week.
Yeah.
It's a short week. It's a short video.
Short.
Because tomorrow is
Survey day.
We made it.
Can you believe it? We are officially surveying the boat tomorrow.
We thought we were going to do it on August 5th. So it's about a month in waiting.
Yeah. So in real time, today is Tuesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Wednesday is the survey day. So we just wanted to give you guys an update. We obviously don't have a video for this week, but we do have one thing to ask for you guys, which is going to kind of help get us to the next step.
We need to name our boat.
Boat names.
We know that it's a little questionable.
Controversial to change the boat name after it's been named, but there's this whole like process, ceremony thing that you do to wish Poseidon some good blessings or good wishes, I guess. I don't know. But we'll do that and then make sure that Poseidon doesn't get angry with us so our boat is still floating.
Oh God, could you imagine?
And yeah, so it's probably, I don't know, are we getting ahead of ourselves? I don't think we are. We don't have a boat name set in stone yet.
We can't agree.
We can't agree.
We're better at naming children than a boat. Kevin wants to name it some sort of motto type name.
I like the idea of having, like, kind of fits the story of our episodes, and we can follow that motto as we go on this adventure. I think that would be cool.
I like that idea. I just don't like any of the ones that Kevin has mentioned.
All right.
I feel like those type of boat names are pretty common.
Well, we're trying not to use the common ones, which
makes
it hard. All right, so I'm going to go through my list first and then Taylor's list. And then what we want to do is put kind of a poll together. Let us know your thoughts on what you think, or if you have any better ideas, because we're
open.
We're an open book. All right, so my list is embrace change, bright side, like on the bright side.
Does it not remind you of Mr. Brightside?
It doesn't really, but I understand that point of view, and I don't like that song anyway, so. Better together. New beginning. And then, do you want to go through yours?
Mine are Gone Nautical, Days Like This, or These. I could be open to either. Tied Together. That's my favorite. But tied.
I like Tied Together.
As in Tide, not like rope tied.
Yeah, I like Tied Together.
Latitude Adjustment, Along the Wake, or Changing Tides.
I like Changing Tides too.
So
I think out of your list, I like Tied Together or Changing Tides.
I'm going with, other than Days Like This, all of mine are like a play on water words.
Yeah, I get it.
Which I think
I can get on board with Tied Together or Changing Tides. I think I like Changing Tides the most out of that.
Either way, we're not set on one. So if you guys have any recommendations that you would like to share, we're open to it. Or if we want to vote, we're hoping to put up a polling situation, maybe up here.
Yeah,
QR
something
code.
like that. Definitely in the comments, I'll leave a link to a post where we can poll, or you can add in your own ideas. And
we're hoping to start boat life content. Our survey, hopefully, if all goes well, will be posted next week.
Yeah, Tuesday, the 9th.
And then after that, it is full on boat life.
We have the AC boat show that we might go to.
Oh yeah, the boat show.
If we need stuff. But
no, we're going and we're
Yeah, and then we're living on the boat, so it begins.
It begins. So this hiatus of just mumble jumble videos is over.
Yeah.
Thanks for making it to the end.
We really appreciate your patience, man.
We got a lot of comments saying that it looks like you guys are running out of content, and y'all are right.
Yeah, seriously.
But we've just trying to do our best to continue to produce something that you guys would maybe want to watch.
And we want to make the best type of video possible. We just didn't really have... It's challenging to do stuff at home, especially when there's not that much interest in it, because these lifestyle videos take so much more effort and time compared to like a boat tour video, which we know will do significantly better. But at the end of the day, those lifestyle, boat life, van life episodes are
They're coming back.
what we enjoy, or I enjoy the most, because it's the memories that we create. So looking back in 30, 40, 50 years, it's going to be pretty sweet.
Yeah. I'm hoping that our new boat life content is similar to our previous van life content where, we're in the van and we're doing cool stuff, but it's still a glimpse into our family life as well.
Yeah. All right. Well, let us know what you think, and thank you so much for being here. Check us out on Instagram. I'll maybe post a couple stories tomorrow during the survey.
You guys will
wanna
get to
scope
see
us
the
out over
boat
there.
before I do. Well, we'll all get to see it together. I still have not stepped foot on the boat, so hopefully it's a good one.
Okay, bye.
He says, shut up.
No, I don't. See ya.
Adios. Au revoir.